How you doing today? Welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. It is time to tell you whether it's worth buying something or not. All right, so we're going to do a food review. We're going to be testing this new line of sauces I saw at Walmart. They have a bunch of different flavors, inexpensive. Don't know if they're good yet. Don't know which one's the best, if they're not worth it at all. But we're going to be testing it off on these chicken fajitas that I bought. And we'll be dunking them. We'll be dunking them in each one of the sauces, trying them out and seeing how they are, all right? Come on in close, I'll show you what flavors we got. Okay, so this is called the original Wingman brand sauces, all right? Starting from left to right. We have the sweet and bold, spicy garlic, which I'm excited about, buffalo, sriracha, which I'm excited about, habanero, which I'm not excited about. Oh, it's a habanero mango, excuse me, and a Polynesian at the end. Not sure what Polynesian is, but let's try each and every one of them. Okay, first one we're going to try is going to be the sweet and bold, okay? So we're going to open that up right now. Pour a little on the plate. Best way to try sauce is just pour it on a plate. And grab a fork. Here we go, sweet and bold. Get it all saturated on the grilled chicken. Pretty good sauce. Yeah, sweet and bold is sweet and bold. Okay, next one we're gonna try is the spicy garlic sauce. That's the one I'm most excited about. Let's try that out right now. Make sure it's not too hot. Spicy garlic sauce is a little bit thicker. The bold and sweet one was a little runny. Here we go. So much garlic. Spicy garlic is really good. All right, now we're gonna try the buffalo sauce. Let's get that poured out. This could be runny. It's more of a marinade than making buffalo wings. So be real careful as you pour it out. All right. That's the buffalo sauce. Give that a try. Buffalo's good. It tastes like Frank's Red Hot. Tastes just like it. Everybody pretty much knows that recipe, right? All right, time for sriracha. Doing the spicy ones now. A little sriracha here. Oh, it's a little thick. This one's nice. All right, get a piece of chicken. Stick it right in the sauce. I don't like the sriracha one at all. Has a burnt flavor to it. Okay, so far the only one I don't like is the sriracha one. All the rest are home runs, and they're different thicknesses. So some are watery, some are thick. Like the spicy garlic is my favorite so far. So let's try the habanero mango. We'll try that out. Man, I haven't burned my guts on the show in a while. So let's see what happens. That one's a medium thickness. Pours out really, really nice. So let's try a piece of chicken on that. It's very sweet. I'm surprised. There's a little bit of heat in it. It's good. Yeah, I'm liking that one. All right, let's try this one. Here we go, Polynesian. Give it a good soaking. Get it all over a piece of chicken so I can taste it. Yeah, I don't like the Polynesian. No. I must not like Polynesian. I don't know. Out of all the flavors, I didn't care for the sriracha. Tasted burnt. Polynesian was a little funky tasting. It's hard to say. My favorite is the spicy garlic. So I'm going to pour the spicy garlic all over the rest of this chicken. And I'm going to have my lunch. Check out the Wingman sauce. They're all in front of me. Okay? They're very inexpensive. So have fun with it. You let me know which one is your favorite, okay? I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.